Okay, here's second step of surfboard repair. I put one coat of this basically resin foam filler for the nose, and it's still a little low, so I'm gonna put another coat. I got the tape here to keep it from running down the board, and elevated the nose of the board with anyway this setup, and just give a quick rundown on the materials here. So here's the Q cell that mixed with laminating resin, surfacing agent, and the catalyst for the filler. And you want the filler to look something like that. You want it to be kind of light, so you're using a lot of Q cell. And then the surfacing agent, 16 drops to 1 ounce of resin to basically turn this into sanding resin so you can sand it. And gloves, acetone for cleanup, and squeegees. All right, thanks.